Today, we will be learning about consent. So, display capture. Oh, there it is. Hey, it's already on display capture. So, I think this. All right, unsub. Hey, don't unsub. Guys, everyone, this is important. Make sure to stay tuned. Consent. It is as simple as tea.
If you're still struggling with consent, just imagine instead of initiating sex, you're making them a cup of tea. You say, "Hey, would you like a cup of tea?" And they go, "Oh my God, I would love a cup of tea, thank you." Then you know they want a cup of tea.
Guys, who here likes tea? You know, I've never actually liked tea. Like, I like the video. Nice. Wait, Rizzle, have you never seen this video? Dude, I got shown this from 5th grade all the way up till high school. You guys don't know this video? No? Oh my, this video is goated as fuck. It's great.
If you say, "Hey, would you like a cup of tea?" And they're like, I'm not really sure. Then you can make them a cup of tea, or not, but be aware that they might not drink it. And if they don't drink it, then, and this is the important bit, don't make them drink it. Just
don't make people drink tea, all right?
Just because you made it doesn't mean you're entitled to watch them drink it.
I love sweets.
And if they say, "No thank you," then don't make them tea. At all. Just don't make them tea. Don't make them drink tea. Don't get annoyed at them for not wanting tea. They just don't want tea.
You guys. See, this is consent right here.
Okay? They might say, "Yes, please, that's kind of you." And then when the tea arrives, they actually don't want the tea at all. Sure, that's kind of annoying as you've gone to all the effort of making the tea, but they remain under no obligation to drink the tea.
Yeah. So guys, if someone makes you tea, do not feel forced to take the tea, all right? What the fuck am I doing? I'm deadass playing Roblox, a kid's game, and now I'm watching a video about consent. Okay, so let's say tea is like regular sex, and then coffee is like the forbidden back door. Okay? So, who likes coffee? Who likes coffee, guys?
They did want tea, now they don't. Some people change their mind in the time it takes to boil the kettle, brew the tea, and add the milk. And it's okay for people to change their mind.
What, Rizzle? What? What, Rizzle? Wait. Someone just got caught in 4K. Oh my, hey, go back like 3 minutes and just start watching it. Okay. Yeah. Coffee really wakes you up, guys.
And you are still not entitled to watch them drink it. And if they're unconscious, don't make them tea.
Yeah,
unconscious people don't want tea, and they can't answer the question, "Do you want tea?" because they're unconscious. Okay, maybe they were conscious when you asked them if they wanted tea, and they said yes. In the time it took you to boil the kettle or brew the tea and add the milk, they are now unconscious. You should just put the tea down. Make sure the unconscious person is safe.
Yeah.
And this is the important part again. Don't make them drink.
Guys, has anyone ever tried to give you tea when you're sleeping? Has anyone tried to force give you tea while you're sleeping?
The tea. They said yes then.
Are you okay, Rizzle? This is a safe space.
Sure. But unconscious people don't want tea. If someone said yes to tea, started drinking it, and then passed out before they'd finished it, don't keep on pouring it down their throat. Take the tea away. Make sure they are safe,
Yeah.
because unconscious people don't want tea. Trust me on this. If someone said yes to tea around your house last Saturday, that doesn't mean they want you to make them tea all the time.
Yeah, guys.
They don't want you to come around to their place unexpectedly and make them tea and force them to drink it, going, "But you wanted tea last week," or to wake up to find you pouring.
What, Pamela? Wait, what? Do we need an intervention? Did you? What? You? What the fuck? What the fuck? Do I need to make a Discord call with you and Rizzle so we can talk this out live on stream? It'll be like the Jerry Zingers, whatever that show is, you know?
Tea down their throat, going, "But you wanted tea last night?"
What the fuck? You wanted tea last night. That means you want tea in the morning. I like how chat has just gone silent. It's a funny joke. Hopefully it's...
If you can understand how completely ludicrous it is to force people to have tea when they don't want tea, and you are able to...
Guys, I would talk about a certain topic right now, but I'm afraid that would get my channel age restricted. Not my channel, but my stream.
To understand when people don't want tea, then how hard is it to understand when it comes to sex?
Yeah.
Whether it's tea or sex, consent is...
Guys, this is going to be the thumbnail. I'm making this into a video. But guys, class, what did we learn? What did we learn today about consent? What did we learn? Any questions? Any questions? Does anyone have any questions? It is good to ask. Yes, exactly, TSP. Good job. You get a gold star. Anyone else? Speak up or we will be changing topics very soon. Coffee's better. Yeah? You really... I mean, you know, many people prefer just regular tea, but there are a few that coffee is better in their opinion. So, and you can't get pregnant. So, it's pretty good. Anything else? Pam Laxey, do you have a question or a statement about this lesson I have just given? Yes. Yes. Okay, this is... Looks at Rizzle. What the fuck is going on? Class, there is no intermediate Okay, Pam Laxey, I hope you know you're just accusing Rizzle of a serious crime. Like, it was funny once, but do not... Like, do I need to call 911? Wait, I'm gonna go back to just chatting so I can... Oh my god, what the fuck did I do? I'm gonna go back to just chatting, but...